Step-by-step guide to bathing your baby. Prepare your baby. Remove clothes from your baby's top half and gently clean their nose, ears, eyes, and face with a soft sponge or flannel designed for infants. Remove clothes from your baby's lower half and proceed to clean their stomach and genitals in the usual manner. Begin bathing. Lower your baby gently into the tub of warm water. Wash your baby's head with water and mild shampoo or soap if not done previously. Avoid perfumed products. Cleanse your baby's body. Wash your baby's body with water and mild soap, paying attention to cleaning the folds of their neck. Clean all folds and creases of the body, including the genital area. Rinse and dry. Rinse your baby's body thoroughly. Lift your baby safely from the water, supporting their head, neck, and bottom. Place your baby on a soft towel and gently dry them. Special considerations. If the umbilical cord or circumcision area, for baby boys, has not healed, opt for a sponge bath instead of using a tub. Avoid pulling on the baby's umbilical cord to prevent bleeding. Bathe and dress the baby in the same room to minimize exposure to drafts. Time the bath half an hour before breastfeeding. Keep the bath short, no longer than 5 minutes, to prevent the baby from catching a cold. Bonding and care. Engage with your baby during bath time, talking to them and playing with them to leave a positive impression of bathing and water. Apply diaper cream to prevent diaper rash, followed by baby oil suitable for their skin to moisturize their body. Avoid using perfumed substances that may cause skin irritation. Safety precautions. Ensure the water temperature is between 36 degrees Celsius and 37 degrees Celsius. Never leave your baby unattended in the water, even for a moment. Do not allow your baby to stand up in the tub until they can stand firmly. Avoid adding hot water to the tub while your baby is in the water. Following these steps will help ensure a safe, comfortable, and enjoyable bathing experience for your baby while maintaining their hygiene and skin health.